visit to the museum. The children of class 3rd were excited. Their science teacher, Mr. Prema, had been teaching them about reptiles. She had told them that reptiles are animals that lay eggs and have skin covered in scales. She said dinosaurs which are extinct now were also reptiles. Mrs. Prema showed them many pictures of different kinds of dinosaurs. When she saw that the children were interested, she arranged for a visit to a natural history museum. On Saturday, the children came early to school. They had packed food and carried a bottle of water each, as Mr. Prema had instructed. At the museum, there was a guide. He divided the children into small groups. Then he slowed them around. First they saw Tyrannosaurus Rex. The guide said Tyrannosaurus Rex is called T-Rex. The T-Rex was very strong. This dinosaur had very short arms, as you can see. He pointed at its arms with a long stick. He did not touch the specimen. Dinosaurs were giant lizards. Some of them ate plants, while some also ate other animals. The guide took them to the next specimen. It was a Brontosaurus. The Brontosaurus was a large dinosaur. It had a long neck and a long tail. He explained. They saw more dinosaurs. Some could fly. The guide said some birds could have evolved from dinosaurs. As the class walked out, the guide showed them a big skeleton of dinosaur that was hanging from the killing. The children returned to the bus and had their food. Mr. Prema said, "Don't waste food or throw waste from the bus. Please put the waste in this bag. We can throw it in the dustbin in school."
and school.
The children listen
The children listened
to Mr. Prema.
to Mr. Prema.
They had
Many
questions.
questions.
She answered
She answered
all of them.
all of them.
What an
What an
enjoyable
enjoyable
day they
day they
had.
had.